Hey folks, welcome back to, well, kind of cooking with Kevin. It's actually baking this week.
Yeah.
Just like we're pre-making this video, so by the time you see it, Kelly's already going to be in Ontario for how long?
A week.
1 week. That's
And I'm
correct.
gonna be gone.
Yeah, and then you're going to be gone. So, but we thought we'd do something now because, as we said in previous videos when Kelly's gone before, I kind of hate doing stuff just by myself. So,
We had an
anyways,
argument.
so what did we make? We had an argument about what?
We had an argument.
Did we?
Yeah. You said I was just here for good luck.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I got an itchy nose.
Well, okay. Lloyd, do you want to tell everybody what you're making?
Tell them what we're
So,
making. I had
we-
itchy nose.
The second part we are gonna be making muffins.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna be making muffins.
Oh, yeah, muffins. Sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna be making muffins,
What kind of muffins?
but this time we are gonna be making the muffins.
We're going to do both. We're going to
We're gonna
do
be making the cookies this time.
what kind?
What kind?
Chocolate chip cookies, as you can look right
Ooh,
here.
yeah, we'll show the ingredients in a minute. And what kind of muffins?
The muffins, banana
Banana chocolate chip.
chocolate chip muffins.
All right.
So we'll show the ingredients as we put them in.
Yeah. We
Okay.
got a blender.
All right.
I'll just-
So first thing we need,
I'll point it to the
1 cup of margarine or butter. We're going to use butter. Already softened. Well, this
Step
is softened
number
because we keep butter out.
But it's step number 1.
Yeah. Step number 1. And how many cups of margarine? Can you read that? Does it tell you?
1 cup of margarine and
Okay.
butter.
or butter.
Or butter.
Yeah. No. Okay. What are you doing? No, you gotta. What are you? Hey.
And it says soft.
Yeah. Well, it is soft because
It's room temperature.
it's room. Yeah. Okay. So we gotta put it in here.
Blender.
You wanna put it in there?
Yep.
Okay. You get it? Actually, I'm glad I got an apron on.
And no, you're not wiping your snot. Your nose is itchy.
Hey, no, just let me. Okay. Here. You can take this off.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Here. First of all, okay. Let me. Okay, you're trying to hold it like this. You need to hold it up like this. Okay. All right. And then when you put it in, you got to put it in at the edges. See how you just go around.
Oh, that's
and
nice.
around. Okay.
It's like Jello.
Yeah. I know it's
It's thicker than
Probably-
Jello, dude.
probably a little hard for you because it is quite.
And it's in a small cup.
Well, yeah.
I just realized on the back of the brown sugar bag, there's a chocolate banana bread muffin recipe.
Oh, I didn't do that. I thought you were talking about the gingerbread man.
No. Let's put that over there for now. Okay.
We got butter.
Can you read that? What does that say?
34.
Well, 3/4.
3/4 cup of
Granulated
granulated sugar.
sugar.
Good job, dude.
And then we're gonna do 1 egg. After this
Okay.
next one, it's an egg.
Very, very careful.
Yeah, I don't want ants, so don't pour it in the floor.
Okay. Good job. I need that back. Okay.
Oh,
So what do we need next?
we need 3/4 cups packed brown sugar.
That's right.
So we're talking about this.
Yeah.
Talking about that.
Because we don't use brown sugar a whole lot.
It's a little hot.
I had to do the old microwave trick.
I will be reading.
I don't think we need this for the banana breads.
And if you can see this, we're reading it from here.
That is from an old Betty Crocker cookbook that I got about 30 years ago.
Oh, wow. This is from 30 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And this is a picture.
Mm-hmm. Do you know I have a cookbook, Lloyd, that's so old. It's from 1937.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Pour it in.
Dump it.
Oh, wow. It looks like a sandcastle. It's literally a cube.
Yeah, not a cube.
What? Next, 1 egg. We got some eggs. Do you need to crack it or no?
How about you crack it into a bowl so you don't get the shells? I'll give you a bowl.
Can I crack it?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. Hit it. There you go. Okay, the trick. No. The trick. See where it's kind of imprinted a little bit?
Yeah.
And you got to put your fingers right there. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. That's why we got water and soap.
Then I'm gonna wash my hand.
No, you're going to dump the egg in first. You don't worry about it. It's a little bit of egg, buddy. You're not going to melt.
You can wipe it on Papa's apron.
No, I don't want it wiped on my apron. Okay, come on over here.
Ah,
Bye. Put it in there. Oh,
relax.
okay. Here.
So relaxing.
You hate being goopy.
What?
I said you hate being goopy.
Yes, I do. Anything involved with goop, that's a no for me.
Yeah. All right. So,
Unless it's on the counter. That's
Okay, what are you gonna do next?
what are you gonna do? Nope. Grab it from me. Sorry.
Come on, dude. We don't want 2-hour video.
We need, it's 21 line sideways, 4 cups.
No, we're not. We're not at that. Okay, you got to read this. So, heat on to 375. Check. It's heating up. No, don't grab the paper from me. Mix margarine, sugars, and egg. So we got that in. Then what we're going to do after that, we're going to stir in the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Okay? So, before we even, as we're doing this, we're going to move this up. We're going to get this going. Okay,
It looks like
easy to get down.
it looks like a banana getting blended. A banana with sugar getting blended. Can I do that?
Okay, we need a bowl.
Can I do this? Papa? Can I do that?
You do what? In a minute. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna need a bigger bowl than that.
There's no big ones up there. You'll have to get it out in the other.
Okay, I gotta get you to move, buddy. Take the stool. Right. Okay. So. Just wait.
How many cups of flour?
So far, that's 3.
That's 1, dude.
Oh.
We're talking about the measurement of the green.
Oh, 1.
That's 1. 2 and 1.
Where are we? I don't know. I don't know where we are.
2 and a quarter. Okay, so you're just gonna pull this handle like this.
Okay.
Okay? Go on. Okay, just give it a shake a little
Do
bit.
you know what that's called? Do you know what that
Okay.
tool's called?
Okay, you can stop.
It's called a sifter. Gets the chunks, if there's any chunks in
Oh, like the one in the bathtub?
that you're playing with, yeah. No,
right.
that's a strainer.
Okay, and a quarter.
I thought that was a sifter. What does a strainer do?
It takes chunks out of
Okay.
when you make gravy and stuff.
No, keep it down, please. Keep the mess to a minimum. Okay.
Gotta love IKEA for little tools.
All right.
I'm that person for little tools. Oh, it looks so good. It looks like a
Okay.
banana with brown sugar. That's
Yeah. Hey. You read that?
Teaspoon baking soda.
Yeah.
Teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. Dump it in.
Put it in the middle so it looks like a volcano.
Yeah.
We
And,
did that experiment one time, didn't we, Lloyd?
Yeah,
Hey.
we did.
okay, squirrel. We're cooking. Okay. Hey. What else we need?
What? I can't read.
Half.
One.
No, half.
I don't see half.
That's what that is.
One
It's a
dash
half.
2 means a
One.
half.
Dash 2 is a half.
Teaspoon
Salt.
salt.
Okay. Put it in. Okay.
You ruined my volcano.
Yeah.
And if
All
you
right.
didn't watch the video where we experimented that.
We didn't make a video because that was before I was YouTube.
Oh. So we didn't make a video of that.
Nope.
But we did this experiment with that. It was actually really cool.
Baking soda and
Yeah.
vinegar, right?
Baking soda and vinegar with what?
Just baking soda and vinegar and it
Yeah.
explodes.
Yeah.
So this is it. Now we gotta add in our.
Mixture.
Yeah.
All right. I'll bring you back when they are forming the cookies.
Okay. So now we're gonna put the cookie dough on the cookie sheets and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. So all we do here is take a little dough, roll her up,
Can I get one?
and place it on the parchment paper.
There you go, dude. Make a few.
Yeah. Yep. Just give it a roll. Okay, a little bit bigger than that.
Like this?
Whoops, that's probably a little too big.
All right. We'll bring you back when the cookies are baked.
Yeah.
Like that?
Okay, so the first batch is ready to come out of the oven.
Oh, that looks so good.
Don't they look yummy?
Okay.
Mm-mm-mm.
Where's the chocolate chips?
It's
Okay.
all mixed in, dude.
They're all mixed in, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Don't they
So-
look yummy?
Yeah. So I gotta let these cool before I get them over to the cooling rack. Because yeah, in the past when I've tried to take them off when they first come out of the oven, it doesn't work out very good. So we have a couple more batches we gotta do. So once they're all done,
The final.
we'll bring you back for the final finished product. Okay. So that was, I guess, baking with Kevin on Thursday for this week. Like I said, we're doing this video ahead of time. just because Kelly's going to be gone. So here it is. These are the nice, delicious chocolate chip cookies that I made. And these are actually, Kelly are taking these with her.
Not all of them.
Well, not all of them, but
What about me?
You go eat your supper.
You can have one when you're done.
I'm going away though.
Yes.
They are delicious. Okay. I eat any chocolate chip no matter what recipe. And we did a banana bread, chocolate banana bread.
Yep.
So that's it. That's Cooking with Kevin for this Thursday.